Me?
How
Me?
will you provoke me for fun, so?
Me, I take a little walk here. Go out pan the corner there. Hmm? Go see if me see Constantine. Sit down out pan the corner there. Because I have a burning issue. I want to sit down and reason it out with him. Yes. So I am going out a crossroad there. Out of Mr. Pang shop go see if me see
If you know what is
Constantine.
good for you, you go to your bed, go lay down.
So fun, so I want go on there now a long time me no see you. Our breeze blow you out yes up on the corner, man. I me there out here try drink a one beer, you know. Yes. If you can't go in, you know. So what's going on with you now? How are you? My friend Constantine, how are you?
I am very well,
I
you
haven't
know, fun,
seen you
so.
for a while because I've been staying in. I have been on some serious fasting and prayer because one whole gym bang we come a yard they can't say she pregnant for my grandson. Say she named Keisha. Me no know her. But she said she pregnant for my grandson Brian. Months now. And me, Alfonso well know say I couldn't for me grand picnic. So me tell her off and tell her say she fi go look for her baby father because me know say that a picnic there I couldn't for me grandson. Picnic. But let me tell you, I've been on some serious fasting and prayer. And finally, the truth has come forward. He's a foreign man, the whole jig bang pregnant for and got baby. And she walk around in the whole community and try pierce baby pan every man where she there with in the community. But me Alfonso, smelly rat, and me know the old jacket picnic them from far. But let me tell you something. I don't know jacket picnic. They bought a place here. Because for me, granny, mama, yes. Miracle, yes. I did jacket. So you see from when jacket there, because them old time people there you know. As the man gone a bush, the woman find one other man round a corner there so asleep with when fear man gone a bush or when the man then gone America. Farm work. Yes. So I don't know. Jacket there, long time. So all you hear them attack and I go on like say, how the young people them know I bring forth the whole heap of jacket. Jacket there long time, man. Jacket there long time.
But members are the same Rachel, Ingy
And them the
jacket too.
jacket they went
For
very
Ronald. You know,
serious.
remember the
Very
story there now?
serious. Cause them the jacket they went stiff. Hmm? Them the jacket there right before your eye. Then cut them out. I don't like them did I hide like no. But a little thing me did I read in the paper where them a say the DNA if it take, but them a say no, if you make the DNA mandatory, it a go cause a lot of friction and a lot of violence. But me not think so. The DNA should have mandatory. Yes. Hmm? So when you go to register the picking, you bring forth the DNA. So at that time, the rightful papa name can go upon the picking birth paper. Hmm? Because them ya something no right. You know, easy for you a man, you know, man. Mm. A mind picnic go mind picnic come. And some of the man them when them a mind picnic, them overdo it, you know, them mind them good. Yes. Everything picnic have to get. You know, easy at all, you know. For a mind picnic. And then all of a sudden you hear say picnic and not for you. Hey! Eh? So I hope we pay back them Monday. Me would I really like to know I hope we pay them back for all them service where they did put in. It is not right. And the government need to look into it and give the man them justice. Me know say for me, three picking them when me have. A fi me them. Yes, me know say a fi me them. Me no get no jacket. Even though me no take no DNA. Because them the three picnic they when me have, them fit to cut. Mm-hmm. Then come off a one good piece of cloth. And you know well the cloth when me come off, you know.
Our kind of cloth, curtain cloth or a tobacco
Yes.
cloth.
So the government need to look into it because the jacket thing I get out of hand. Yes. Because let me tell you now, it not easy. Just the thought of thinking about it if me did get jacket. Me would they are boss now. Because you see a boss over the jacket picking them and then you realize I don't fear them. No man, that one they will lick your chip. Send you go a loony Ben mental hospital. You know, easy. Because I know only one thing, you know, I know only the jacket, you know, but I the bone where you did I get. Because bone is a very hot thing, you know. Worse when them a give bone and are your friend then left and go take up a one serious matter that. Eh? And we need to look into it. The woman then need to keep. We keep them foot close. Close. Yes. And if they can't keep it close, then get crazy glue and glue it up. Yes. Well, you know me, Constantine don't have a lot to say on this jacket business, you know, because as you know already, me is a full-blown jacket. So to me know that I stay far from those type of argument, you know. Because for years I don't know my father. Because the man that my mother give and says my father is a very tall man. And as you see me already, me short and my mother short. So me don't understand that, but you know, I take it with a smile for all these years. And up till now, I don't back up my father anywhere. Until my mother pass off. And it still not reveal who my rightful father is. So I don't bother get into those type of argument, you know. I just leave it. Okay? Mr. Afonso, please to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.